Jaki Next Generation H6 Double Stepper Motor Computer Lock Stitch Sewing Machine. An ultra silent sewing machine. Discrete auto trimmer lead to foot side. Bidirectional drive stepper motor technology is adapted to accuracy, trim, and control the lifting foot while keeping side low. Stepper motor technology allows precise stitching, spacing adjustments, and accurate reverse stitch while keeping sides low. Stitch spacing is precisely computer controlled, allowing adjustment increments of 0.1 mm, making sewing more efficient while keeping sides low. Bidirectional sewing in perfection with any stitch spacing. The Jaki H6 Ultra Silent design brings manufacturers a quiet and comfortable working environment. Multifunctional, 9 stitch presets and ability to customize stitch patterns. One-button macro stitch reinforcement mode. Effectively reduce bird nesting, ensuring a strong stitch. Double knife trimmer. High accuracy trimming of less than 3 mm, allowing less waste and avoiding manual trimming. Suitable for sewing various types of fabric thickness. Salt oil pan, cleaning sewing, improve sewing quality. One button reset to factory setting. A stitch above the best.